We made plenty of kites. বাংলায় কথাটার মানে হলো আমরা অনেক ঘুড়ি তৈরি করেছিলাম. So here we have to change this sentence into a passive form. This is the active voice. We made plenty of kites, and we have to convert this sentence into passive form. Here we is the subject, made, this is the main verb, and plenty of kites means a lot of kites, many kites. This means plenty of kites. This is the passive voice of the above sentence. Plenty of kites is the object here, so we have to place this object in the beginning of the sentence. That is why we have written plenty of kites. This is the object, plenty of kites. This part is the object here. Then where, this where is the auxiliary verb here, because we know we have to add an auxiliary verb here. So this is the plural form, plenty of kites. This is the plural form, and that is why we have used here where. Then the main verb, then this is the past participle of the main verb. Here this is the main verb, and the base verb of this word is make. Past participle of make is made. That is why we have written here made. Then we have added a by, and lastly us. This us is the objective form of the subject we. That is why we have written here us. So the passive voice is plenty of kites were made by us. This is the another active voice. Did you do it? This sentence is an interrogative sentence. Did you do it? We have to make the passive voice here. This is the active voice, and we have to make the passive voice of this sentence. So while making the active voice into a passive voice for an interrogative question, we can follow a common rule. This is the common rule. At first the auxiliary verb, then the object, then the past participle of the main verb, then a by, then the objective form of the subject. In this sentence the subject is you. Now see the passive voice. This is the passive voice here. This is the passive voice of the above sentence. Was it done by you? Now according to the rule, we can notice the sentence structure here. Auxiliary verb first. This is the auxiliary verb was. Was is the auxiliary verb. This sentence is in the past tense. That is why we have written here was. Was is the auxiliary verb. Then the object here, eat. This is the object, so we have written here eat. This is the object. Then the past participle of the main verb here, do. This is the main verb, and the past participle of do is done, so we have written here done. Then a by, we have written here a by, and lastly the objective form of the subject. Here the object, here the subject is you, and the objective form of the subject you is you, the same. That is why we have written here you. So the passive voice is was it done by you?